Hey guys, welcome to another Moonoveraquarius road trip. Today we're going to do the area of Sunninghill, South Africa. We're going to start on just going over the Woodmead Drive. And then we're going to be driving up the Waterfall Drive, the different shopping centres on the left. If you're enjoying this trip, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and that notification bell. As we continue, as you can see, summer is on the way. It's very green, and what you guys might have noticed, the traffic lights are actually working. And very clean. It's well maintained, this area. Right into Tudor Avenue. Continue down. And then Spitfire, we're going to go right and then left into Tudor. So how many of you guys out there remember this area? Are you still living in the area? Let us know. Okay, go through the boomed area. Just going to scan the license disc. As a lot of you guys noticed, South Africa, the areas are all boomed off, a lot of them. And then we're going to go right into Lingrette Avenue, still in the Sunninghill area. Continue down, looking at all the different complexes on my left and right. And then we're going to go left into Tana Road. Then we're going to continue down this road all the way. And then we're going to come to the next boomed area. As you can see, this whole area seems to be boomed off. These are the two exits, in and out. Guys just opening for us. Cheers. Continue down Tana Road. Then we're going to go over Nanyuki Road. And then we're going to go left into Leeuwkop Road. So guys, thanks for joining us. Please subscribe to the channel, it really helps. And thanks for the continued support. Cheers for now.